Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today, we're going to be talking about a brand new bike the Harley-Davidson's going to be releasing in the second quarter. So let's go ahead and start talking about that. So a couple months ago, Harley-Davidson decided to split off from their main production in Harley-Davidson of their electric motorcycles, the LiveWire, to have that become their own sub-brand. So now we have the LiveWire brand, which is still owned and run by Harley-Davidson, but it's just something else that Harley-Davidson can focus on the side to where it's not necessarily going to be affecting their main floor sales. So there's a new release that's going to be coming out in the second quarter, and I just saw an article come out about it. I saw it on electric.com, and here is everything that I have seen coming out about it. So right up here, I'm throwing a picture up of it, so you'll be able to get a nice view of it and make all your nice juicy opinions on it. So this bike is on the LiveWire's new Aero platform. And so what really differentiates this from the previous LiveWire, the original LiveWire 1, is that the battery and motor itself is a part of the structural frame in comparison to the LiveWire 1 itself. So this is really important because it's taking, like most other sport bikes do, which is kind of also in the same direction that the Revolution Max engines have been going. They have been using the engine as a structural part of the frame. They are stress members. So now the battery and the motor on this Aero platform is now also going to be a stress member, which is really awesome. It's getting rid of some weight, and it's also reducing price. And that is something really important that they talk about inside of this article, which if you're interested, I'm going to link it down below so you guys will also be able to read it and look at some of the other pictures they have up on top of there and many other things that they're talking about. But the actual motorcycle that's going to be coming out in the second quarter is called the LiveWire Del Mar. The really key part here is that they're talking about lowering the price, which is something really important because when the LiveWire first came out, it came out at a price of originally $29,799, which is $30,000 for an electric motorcycle, which almost no one was willing to do that. You're paying near top dollar price for an electric motorcycle, which no one was wanting to do. And now the LiveWire 1 is currently priced at $21,999. And so the price is dropping, which is important. They're trying to sell more and more people are going to end up buying them, which is good. But this bike is even predicted to come at even a lower price to start introducing the electric motorcycle feel to more people, introducing them to that city style and having more people want to jump into the field. In the article, they also talk about a couple of the electronic bicycles that Harley-Davidson has been producing, which is also really important because that is really the stepping stone for what most people will be doing in the future, in my opinion. They're going to be starting out on these electric bicycles for hopping around town, and then they're going to eventually be like, oh, I want something maybe just a little bit more. So then they're going to move up from the electric bicycles up to the electric motorcycles, giving them that extra range, that extra speed, that extra power that they may be wanting to use, and something still green in the future. So this is just a quick update, something to come out to you guys. And if you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It's greatly appreciated. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, make sure you ring that bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.